What's the word, everyone? It's Naryua Januar, and here I am just doing a DIY Christmas wreath, tree, whatever the case may be, for the cemetery. My grandmother passed away in September of 2020, and she loved Christmas. Matter of fact, she loved holidays in general. So every holiday, I try to make a DIY wreath or whatever it's called for the graveyard instead of spending money on someone else buying it and it might not get here in time. So this year I did it a little bit last minute because a lot has been going on in life. Life has been lifing, but it was a little bit more expensive than I usually make it because I usually use all Dollar Tree products, but this one I wanted to make bigger because it's more than one person at my grandmother's like site. It's my uncle, it's my grandfather, and it's my grandmother. So I wanted this one to be a little bigger. And then for the other people in my family that are at the cemetery as well, I try to make smaller ones for them because it's just a single person. So because it's three people in one grave at my grandmother's grave, I um I wanted to make sure that it's big enough for all three of them. Um, all the flowers are from Dollar Tree. The foam that I use is from Michael's. I paid $15 for it, and I had to travel to go get it because the Michael's that was 20 minutes away from me closed down, and I didn't even know. And it's crazy because I do a lot of DIY projects, but I try to order online as well. My goal was to order online this time around, but I didn't for some reason. And yeah, but this is just me doing it, and I'll tap back in when I'm doing the smaller ones.
Please jingle with me, baby. I wanna get to know you better. Please jingle with me, darling. How much fun it's gonna be together. Now listen. Why do I care how much it may snow? 'Cause I've got my love to keep me warm. And what do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm. Oh, winter weather, I love the winter weather. 'Cause Christmas time is pulling us closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together. Oh, Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart. I'm gonna jingle with you, baby. I wanna get to know you better. Hey. I'm gonna jingle, jingle, jingle with you now. How much fun it's gonna be together. What do I care how much it rains snow? 'Cause I got my love to keep me warm. Why do I care how much it rains snow?
Here I am with the smaller ones. I used the cones and the green thing from Dollar Tree, but to make the cones, because they were really small, a little bit higher, I put the green together with it with a kebab stick that I broke in half. I stabbed it into the top and then put it into bottom and then hot glued it in the middle and around the edges so it can stay. Then the top pieces that are like toppers are like little, I don't know what those are called during the Christmas time, but I would just say like little um grapes and on a stick that I had from Christmas past. But it's not much going on else. I'm just gluing and sticking and trying to get everything together for these small ones. At this point, I was kind of like overdoing them because the big one was not, I wasn't feeling it at first, but now I love it. And I was just kind of over it because it's not the idea I had in my head, but not all DIYs go the way you have it in your head. So, anyways, if you like this video, please thumbs it up. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment a white heart or a white dove in the comments, and tell me if you really like these type of things so you can make it for your family as well that are at cemeteries. um I'm gonna be doing one for all the holidays, and I'm gonna try to be more ahead of time with it and not last minute. So the next one I'll probably do at the end of January is for um Valentine's Day, and then we'll see what's happening. But please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, so these are the two smaller ones that I made for the grave. I wish they could have been a little bit bigger, but this is what Dollar Tree had to have. So I got the green like cone, somewhat similar cone, half a cone one, and then I attached it to the white one with kebab sticks and hot glue, and it worked perfectly. I started with these two pieces of things that I had left over from our Christmas tree, of Christmas trees past. We have a lot of ornaments because when I get an idea of a color, I have to do it, and I just don't like doing the same color every year. So I'm just using those pieces just to give it a little oomph, like that's the star. And yeah, please like, comment, subscribe on this video. Please comment if you like these things. If I should do more gravesite things like for Valentine's Day or Easter. Like, what would I do? What did I use? I have a lot of ideas for 2025, and I want to start doing them early. So if you like this video, please like it, thumbs it up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.